Good afternoon, guys. This is Johnny Banana from the CNN Gaming Society, and today I'm going to teach you how to use WorldEdit, like the basic commands of it for all those new users of it. So I'm going to use it as a bukkit plugin from one of my earlier videos that I made today on how to make a bukkit server. So in order to install plugins, probably going to use WorldEdit and Essentials both, because they're for me they're like the two necessary ones to use in a server. So we're going to take the executable jar file of WorldEdit from the compressed zip file and extract it to the plugins folder in the Craft Bukkit server folder. Where you can get this zip file with the jar is you go to bukkit.org and you look up WorldEdit. You get the thread. You click here, and it's the download right there. Download. Then just download it, extract to your desktop, open up the folder and whatnot, and voila, you should have it. So then start up your server. You gotta wait for it to start. In the meanwhile, load up Minecraft. Wait for it to fully start. And there you go. If you want to check that it's been installed, just type PL in the commands in the run.bat, and it will show you all the plugins you have. For this case, it will be all 4 Essentials plugins and WorldEdit. So it tells you if you basically installed it correctly, because if you didn't install it correctly, WorldEdit wouldn't be there. So now just connect to your server. Because you're the host, type in your local IP, which is 127.0.0.1 or whatever. And here we are. So you would need to press T to bring up commands, and then type in 2 slants to the right, which is where the question mark on the keyboard is, and then wand. What you should get is a bronze axe. So to show you how WorldEdit basically works, I got a little picture here of a Rubik's Cube. We'll be using this picture of a Rubik's Cube to demonstrate how you use your wand. So when you use your wand, you have to set 2 positions in a space. So imagine each one of these little cubes represents a Minecraft block. You use your left mouse button to select your first position, which would be this orange-yellow block down here. Then you use your right mouse click button for this green one up here as your second block selected. And basically what this does is that it selects all the blocks within empty or filled within this space and selects them all so you can mass replace them, copy paste, set, all that good stuff. So basically when you select these 2 blocks, this whole Rubik's Cube is initially selected too, so you can replace them all as one color or something. That's how it is. So let me show you. So select one position with the left mouse click, and you can do this on a flat arc too, on a regular arc, anything. And then select the second position. I'll just choose here for instant, and let's fly so we can get a better position of seeing what's happening. Okay, so the very first basic command you should learn for WorldEdit is set, which is, for most of these commands except for the selected few, it's going to be 2 slants to the right, and then set. And then the next thing you type in would be a certain block type that you want to change it to. Everything within that range or that cube will be changed to that. So let's say we want to delete it, we'll type in error. that will completely delete all the blocks that have been selected within those 2 points. So it would have been that point right there and that point. Change it to error. Now let's change it back. If you want to do a faster way of that, instead of having to type in an actual command, you could just type in 2 slant and undo, which will undo what you did before the last command, or redo to have it happen again if you kind of backfired. So that's the set command, the undo and redo, and I'll show you a couple more. This is going to be called the replace command, which means select your 2 points again. You need to have 2 or more blocks in order to make this effective, and I'll select this grass one right here. So we have 3 different types of blocks. We have sand, water, and grass. When you use the replace command, which is to replace, you choose one certain block in that region, which we would say sand, or water because it's the majority chosen. And then you get to set all, and then you choose a second block that you want to change all the waters in that region to. So let's say grass. So in this case, you selected 3 different types, the sand, water, and grass, but it's only going to change the one type that you specifically typed. And there you go. See, the sand that I selected as the first point, nothing has happened to it. And the grass obviously hasn't changed. And all the water's been changed instead. So that's how you would use the replace command. Okay, and for the last 2 basic commands that you'll learn in this video, copy and paste. So it's like the computer, you would take the 2 positions again. Let's take any 2, doesn't really matter. Double slant copy. So you will copy the command. Wow. And then you would choose one point above all the others. So take this one block for instance. Or this is how it has actually worked with me. It hasn't worked on the actual ground. And then paste. And there you go. All these pastes have been going. Let me show you how the changes were. There you go. And well guys, that's all the commands I have for you today, and I will be making some more videos in the future on more advanced and pro commands for WorldEdit for all you more advanced users, so you can more easily edit and modify your servers. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, favorite. If this video helped you in any way, thank you, and see you guys later.